Oh!
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I'm with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi! Wow! This is...
Wait! Okay, I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious has crowned himself Emperor in this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We gotta get him and us out of here, but...
Without the dimensionator, I think we have to build a new one. I've met a prophet from Safari named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out!
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase cores used to power the dimensionator there. If I'm right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Wow, another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.